The 12th hour Manipur-wide total shutdown called by the conglomerate of valley-based militant outfit Corcom has crippled normal life today, as educational institutions and commercial establishments remain shut in Imphal city and other areas of the state. Roads wore a deserted look this morning. The total shutdown has been called in condemnation of the merger agreement which was signed between the then King of Manipur and Indian government on October 15 of 1949. One cadre of ZUF outfit had died and another two cadres were injured during a gunfight that took place among fraction of the proscribed group in the wee hours today at Shubung Laishok in None district, according to reports. It is believed that the gunfight might have occurred when some of the cadres were trying to leave a faction of the outfit to another unit. Further details are awaited in this regard. Srikant Naurim of Manipur has won a gold medal at the recently concluded 3rd Taiwan Cup International Kung Fu Championship 2019 held from October 6 till 12 at New Taipei City Bankyo Gymnasium, Taiwan. Srikant won the gold in junior boys Chinese kickboxing. On the other hand, team coach Jugeshwar Khetrimayum also won a gold medal in Dao Shu, while Nitin Singla of Punjab and Ellen Richa John of Jharkhand clinched a bronze each in the championship. The Government of India representative and interlocutor of the Naga Peace Talk R.N. Ravi, who is also the Governor of Nagaland, will hold a consultative meeting with the primary stakeholders, church leaders and civil societies on October 18. The meeting will be held at the conference hall of Jafu Hotel, Kohima. Representatives of 14 Naga tribes of Nagaland and United Naga Council UNC from Manipur will be attending the meeting. Arunachal Pradesh Governor retired Brigadier B.D. Mishra, who is on a 3-day tour to West Kameng district, interacted with district officials, Guanbura and public at Balemu. The governor advised the people to avail maximum benefit from the self-sustainable and job-creating schemes and programs of the state and central governments. Margaret Atwood and Bernardine Evaristo jointly won the 2019 Booker Prize after judges defied the rules by declaring a tie. British Indian novelist Salman Rushdie's tragicomic Quixote was among the 6 books shortlisted for the prize. The Booker rules say the prize must not be divided, but the judges insisted they couldn't separate Atwood's The Testament and Girl Women Udder by Evaristo, who is the first black woman to win the prestigious award since its creation in 1969.